This is going to be our first episode in creating our login and sign up system using PHP, AJAX, and MySQL database. First, we need a text editor. So you're going to download any text editor of your choice here. So I'll be using Sublime Text Editor. You can also download Atom Text Editor, Visual Studio Code, Notepad++. I think we have Komodo. We have a whole lot of text editors that you can use. So you download the one of your choice. Then also, since you are using PHP, you need to download XAMPP. So I'm going to use, so XAMPP will act as our web server, which comes bundled with PHP already. So you are going to download the latest version. I suggest you download the highest version, the current version that we have. So after downloading these two, you just install them. So you install, you just open them. So this is how your XAMPP is going to look like. Then I'll launch my Sublime test also. So this is how your Sublime test will also look like. So I'll just get rid of this pages here. Put this here a bit. Okay, so now when you open your when you open your XAMPP control panel, if you are using Mac OS, you can download MAMP. We have XAMPP for Mac OS also. So we have XAMPP also for Linux. So if you are using any other operating system aside Windows, you can go for the supported OS here. So you have Linux, you are using Linux, you can download Linux, XAMPP for Linux here. If you are using OS X, you can also download the XAMPP for Mac OS here. Or if you're on Mac, you can also download MAMP. I think it's double MPP also. It's A, yeah. So MAMP, sorry. So we have MAMP. So we have MAMP and MAMP Pro. So MAMP Pro is for sale. So I think you can go for just MAMP. But XAMPP will do. So I'll be using, since I'm on Windows, I'll be using XAMPP control panel. Now, when you install and open your XAMPP control panel, you're going to have a window, a program like this. All what you have to do is you have to start Apache and MySQL. So after starting this, now you go back to our web browser. All what you have to do is just enter in your tab localhost. So when you enter localhost, you're going to be presented with a screen like this. So XAMPP, Apache, whatever here. Now we are going to be working in a directory, in the XAMPP directory. To know the location of your XAMPP directory, you can just go to my computer. So you go to my computer, you go to drive C, you locate where we have the folder called XAMPP. Then you look for htdocs. Yes, so htdocs here. Here you can create any folder of your choice, or you can just work within the htdocs. So I'm going to create a folder here. Yeah, so I have a folder already here called MULTIMAN. Well, this is where I keep most of my files here. So I'm just going to skip. Then I'll create a folder called tutorials. So I'm going to work on this inside this folder called tutorials. So when I open tutorials now, I'll create another one called, I'll create another folder called complete login and sign up PHP, AJAX, and MySQL. So now I'm going to, this is the folder I have here. So this will be our folder that you are going to be working in. So if you're saving this on your desktop, it's not advisable to save there, because since you are working with PHP and PHP is a server based, you need to work inside the htdocs. So I'll have something like this. Now I'll go back to my browser. So I'm just going to open a new tab here. Then I'll enter localhost. So this time I'll just enter localhost /tutorial. So the folder, the root folder inside the htdocs. So that's tutorial. I think I got this wrong. Let me just, okay, so we have tutorials. So we have S Yes, so when you enter something like this, now you're going to see all the folders that you have here created inside tutorials. So what I'll do is I'll click on complete login and sign up. So this way you're going to be working in. So now what I'll do is, since I'll just drag the tutorial, no, I'll just drag the complete this folder inside my Sublime text editor so that I will know I'll have this. I have this folder here, so I'll be working inside this directory. Now you can just keep this opened or you can close it. Next episode, we are going to create our login page. We are going to create our sign up page and also our forgot password page. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow my GitHub page also.